Hey guys, Chef Angela here. Today I'm going to make my Mi Goreng with black truffle and quail eggs. I was inspired by Dan Hong from Hongstagram and I wanted to try this myself. But today I'm making it with my black truffle from Victoria and also some quail eggs. Have a look at all my ingredients. Now, Indo Mie, Indonesian noodles, like the best thing when you're a uni student. This is pretty much all we ate when we went to uni. I want to get my water on. We're going to follow the instructions. Basically, grab your noodles, add it to the boiling pot. I'm going to use 2 noodles today, 2 packets. Now, going back to the ingredients, I've got some lovely quail eggs. I've got some black truffles from Victoria. These are amazing. I've also got some coriander and I've got the packets that come inside. Now, as Dan said, he didn't use the chili sauce in his because it overpowers the truffle flavour, so we're not going to do that as well. And I've got my pan on here ready for the little mini quail eggs. So while they're cooking, we'll just cook off the quail eggs. Just add some rice bran oil to your pan. Now for our quail eggs, we're just going to crack it on the bench and be really careful because they're quite little mini things. Add it to my pan. And if you're wondering what a quail egg tastes like, it just tastes like a mini egg, mini chicken egg. How cute are they? And we're just gonna get through that membrane. That one wasn't so great. Let's do another one. And third time lucky. We just wanna keep this from not sticking. And here we go on our noodles. They're cooking nicely, coming to the boil, and we just wanna make sure we can cook this sunny side up. My goodness. This one is for my husband who likes it sunny side down. There we go. Pretty excited about these truffles. The truffle season has just been so good this season. They've been so fragrant and incredible. And there we go, our eggs are almost ready. I'm just gonna pop them aside once that white part is cooked through. Pop this one to the side, we'll pop this one to the side. And this one to the side, there we go. So we'll get our pan ready for the noodles. Noodles are almost cooked through. Grab my bowl to strain them through. And because we're also gonna cook them in the pan, doesn't matter if they're not fully cooked through. Just wanna cook it so they're al dente. Pretty excited about this. Make sure you grab your trusty truffle slicer. Make sure it's not too thick. So you can see that by turning the little dial. If you don't have one of these, you can also use just a microplane. These are pretty ready. Pop them in the bowl and we'll put them through the colander. Right. Turn this up. We'll add our noodles. So we'll cook our noodles through in the pan. Grab our sauces. Now, grab all your seasoning mix. I don't know about you, but I can never ever get these open. So get some little mini scissors from your kids' office and open the packets and get that seasoning in there. Fried onion, the beautiful seasoning which gives it a lovely flavour. And then you just want to use this flavouring oil and the yummy Mi Goreng, leaving out the chilli. This sweet yummy soy is just so delicious. Oops, I got a little bit of that chilli in there. Okay. Then you want to just mix all that up. So yummy. Just like uni days, huh? But now we're going to pimp it with some truffles. So now that's cooked through, time to plate up your dish. Now turn that off. Grab your plate. I'm just going to put all my noodles in there. Now this is a 2 packet. Perfect for me because I love to eat, as everyone knows that. Grab my quail eggs. 1 for myself. Look how cute they are. 1 for my husband. Actually, let's put all 3 on there. And you get your trusty black truffle and your truffle shaver. And you want to just shave the truffle on top. Oh my God. Now that is what I call an absolute decadent uni lunch. And there we have our Mi Goreng with black truffles and quail eggs. If you love this video and you'd love the full recipe, click the link below.